Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to log in your wife's website. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into our video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.wise.com/login. So once you do this, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply type in your email address and your password, or you can also log in with your Google account, Facebook account, or your Apple ID. If you are logging into your account through Google account, you need to select an account and simply open your app on your mobile phone and hit the yes option. Once you verify it, you can get access to your account on your web browser as well. So following this way, you can simply get your Wise account activated or logged in your website. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.